Good afternoon, guys. It's a really nice day outside, and I always start the vlogs out the same, so I'm not sure how to switch it up. I guess I don't have to say good morning, guys. I guess I can just start out with going like, I don't know. I am uploading 2 vlogs right now. I'm uploading March 30th and May 30th and May 31st. I don't know where March came from. And then I have June 1st, 2nd, and 3rd to edit. And then today's. So I'm behind by like 4 days. But it's better than being a month behind, I guess. And my windows are closed, so it's a lot quieter in here. And I ordered a pair of pants, and I ordered a pair of shorts. And I'm not sure what else to talk about, so I'm not going to waste my time in ranting on about other stuff. So yeah, I wish I had 2 days off, which I do, but it's not until Wednesday and Thursday, so still have 2 more days of work, but I can get through it, don't worry. There's still a little bit of sun out, so I'm still good. Well, not sun, but it's still a little bit light out over there by the clouds. Yeah, but I'm on my way home.